Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be showing you how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Professional mode is a feature that is aimed at helping individuals use Facebook for work purposes. However, if you want to switch back to the regular mode, the process is straightforward, and we'll show you how to do it step by step. Firstly, open your Facebook account and go to your profile page by tap on your profile picture right here. On your profile page, please tap three dots icon next to Edit Profile button. Now, you will see an option that says, Turn off professional mode. Click on it and confirm that you want to turn off the professional mode by tapping on Continue button, and your Facebook account will switch back to the regular mode. And there you have it, a simple and quick guide on how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Remember, if you ever want to switch back to professional mode, just follow these same steps and toggle the option back on. Thanks for watching.